Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we want to solve a challenge here where we have the notes under our table really extending to the far right in that we cannot even read the whole sentence. But we want to really fine-tune it so that we can read the statements under it. So we want to do it in such a way that at the end of the table we cut and we paste it rightly beneath it. So normally that's how people really solve such an issue. So what it means is that in this particular cell where we have the statement or the notes, one will cut from this angle and come to the next line, Control V to paste, go back into the formula bar, cut the next one, go to the next cell, Control V to paste, so that at least the whole statement will be right beneath the table. There's a smart way to do this in Excel, and this is how we go about it. So assuming you have the statement here and you want the statement to be in this range of cells rightly under the table, you can select the range. Then you go to the Home tab, you go to Fill, then you go to Justify. Automatically you will see that the whole statement, which was in one cell, has now been justified into individual cells beneath each other. The same way you can even put this whole sentence in this particular range. That's making it a very short note here. You select the range, you go to Home, you go to Fill, then you go to Justify. So you see that the whole statement is really cut down and in this short area, or let me call it range. Note that before you can do this, ensure that the characters you have within a cell is not more than 255 characters. If it's more than 255 characters, the SS will be deleted. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on YouTube Console, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.